Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Moff Gideon from the Mandalorian Season 3. Starting off, I took the legs from Crosshair. The hair, torso and cape came from the original Moff Gideon minifigure. The jetpack comes from Gar Saxon. Finally, the head comes from the Clone Wars rendition of Mace Windu. Feel free to pause here if you need a minute to build your minifigure, but hopefully this is what it should look like. Overall, I think these are some simple upgrades to the Moff Gideon minifigure, but I think that they do the job well. If you enjoyed this video, I'd recommend leaving a like and maybe subscribing to the channel if you haven't done that already.